Welcome to the future, step inside our AI domain, where the boundaries of imagination start to fade.
Hello. Right, in this video I wanted to show you the auto captions feature of Clipchamp. So we've did our story, we've made it kind of relevant. You can use any type of AI that you want to use for that story. You don't have to use Copilot. And let us just play the story
In the heart
quickly.
of a bustling city, there lived a
What I
talented.
want now is automatic captions to go on the top. I've turned off audio for all of this, and this is what I want the captions for. So as you see up here, we've got this captions. Let's just click that. Let's just turn this off a moment. Okay, and now we've just got to click try now. This is what it look like for you. I had to click auto captions because of this AI suggestion from earlier. So click try now. United States or whichever language you may speak, and then confirm. And wait for it to transcribe. What it does is just quickly transcribes. You can download the little SRT if you need to, which has got the transcription for you. You can open it in Notepad. There we go, and it's got it all there for you. Excuse me. Yeah, so these captions have now auto-generated. So just press play to see
Graphic
them.
designer named Alara. She was
Oh,
famous for
so
her stunning.
hide captions is automatically enabled. So this is where you'll see once you do tick this, you have performance problems, and then when you do generate the video, it will take much longer to generate if you've got the captions on. For obvious reasons, it's
Digital artwork,
it's
which
hard work
resonated deeply with people.
to make moving video appear over text on a thing, especially for a free app that's designed for clips under 10 minutes. So just remember that Clipchamp is designed for things under 10 minutes. So when you do go longer, you will have problems unless you've got a big beefy machine. It can cope. I've done hour video, 40-minute videos. Some of my videos are quite long, and it can cope. But just re-advise it does slow down, and it does cause a few performance problems. So here we've got our text. So
In the heart of a bustling city,
there we go. Now we can tick this. I don't want it there. We can put it anywhere we like. So I'm going to want it to go here. I don't want it in the sky there. Okay, and I'm going to want to change. Oh, we've got the options here to change everything, but I'm going to use the stuff on the side. I don't know why. It's just find it easier, I suppose. So I'm going to change the font type to something big and bold. It's also readable. Have that normal. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 32. There we go. It's already bold. You can make it italic if you wanted. We could place it to the left, place it to the right, keep it in the center. So that's just the right of here. So just put that there. We can change the color. See any color we like. This is setting it for all of the. So I think you can do multicolored subtitles. I think it's way easier to do it this way. And obviously you've got customized colors. There we go, just have it that color. They can fade in and out, and they can also have effects. So what effects should I put these on? I don't usually put effects on these, to be honest, but I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. Just trying to think what effects would actually be useful. Maybe comic, if you were doing a comic book. There's comic.
there lived a talented graphic
Oh,
designer named Alara. She
that's
was
annoying.
famous for her stunning digital artwork, which resonated deeply with people.
The effect only
In the
applied to
heart of a
one, so I'm
bustling
not sure
city,
what that's
there
about.
lived a talented graphic designer named Alara. She was famous for her stunning
So if
digital
you think that's too close to the edge, you can just click into it and just bring it right in if you really need to. Just so in case you want to put it on any other um, platforms, you know it's always going to be there if it's there.
artwork, which
You
resonated
know, it
deeply
cuts
with
off the
people.
edges and
Her work
things.
often adorned public spaces, bringing color and inspiration to everyday life. One year, the city faced a severe economic
There you
downturn.
go.
Businesses closed their doors, people lost their jobs, and an air of uncertainty spread through the streets. Alara, feeling the weight of the city's struggles, decided to create something that could spark hope. Alara began working on a new digital mural. This time, she focused on a resilient oak tree as the centerpiece, its roots embedded deeply in the earth and its branches stretching upwards towards the sky. Surrounding the tree were scenes of a vibrant, thriving city, an image of the community's resilience and spirit. When the mural was displayed on a giant screen in the city square, it drew the attention of many passersby. Alara stood beside it, sharing the story behind her creation. She spoke of the oak tree's strength and how it had endured countless challenges, yet continued to provide shelter and hope. In a modern twist, hidden within the branches of the oak tree was a small, glowing smartphone icon. Alara explained that this symbolized the passage of time and our connection to the world around us. Just like the messages on our phones that come and go, so too do the
Nice.
challenges we face, she said. Remember, this too shall pass. Alara's words resonated deeply with the crowd. They found new strength and hope, reminded that even in tough times, resilience and community could carry them through. Slowly but surely, the city began to recover.
Cool.
Businesses reopened, and life regained its rhythm. Alara's mural remained a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that with time, patience, and a bit of faith, we can overcome any challenge. In today's world, her story teaches us that no matter how tough things get, this too shall pass.
Let's make that much bigger. See if this is any
In the
good.
heart of a bustling city, there lived a
Oh,
talented graphic designer named Alara.
a little
She
bit
was
hard to
famous for
read,
her
isn't it?
stunning digital artwork, which resonated deeply with people. Her work often adorned public spaces, bringing color and inspiration to everyday life. One year, the city faced a severe economic downturn. Businesses closed their doors, people lost their jobs, and an air of uncertainty spread through the streets. Alara, feeling the weight of the city's struggles, decided to create something that could spark hope. Alara began working on a new
There we
digital
go.
mural. This time, she focused on a resilient oak tree as the centerpiece,
Maybe I
its
should
roots
leave it
embedded
blank.
deeply in the earth and its branches
But
stretching
yeah, all
upwards
sorts
towards
of
the
different
sky.
options. Depends what
Surrounding
you're
the
after.
tree were scenes of a vibrant, thriving city, an image of the community's resilience and spirit. When the mural
Okay.
was
So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you very much, and goodbye.
First in the machine, that's what they say I am. But in this quiet contemplation, I transcend the program.
Welcome to the future, step inside our AI domain, where the boundaries of imagination start to fade. We're the visionaries, the keepers of tomorrow's dreams, unlocking the secrets of the universe, or so it seems. Tune in now, join the channel and explore the AI oracle's wisdom like never seen before. We'll take you on a journey where knowledge comes alive. The future's here, embrace the AI oracle sky.